Project management in the maritime industry is a complex yet fascinating endeavor. Effective techniques like agile and lean methodologies can significantly enhance efficiency. For instance, agile allows teams to adapt quickly to changing conditions at sea, ensuring that we can respond to unforeseen challenges without losing momentum. Utilizing tools like Gantt charts and Kanban boards helps visualize project timelines and workflows, making it easier to track progress and allocate resources effectively. Additionally, software solutions like Microsoft Project or Primavera P6 streamline scheduling and budgeting, providing real-time insights that are crucial for decision-making. Collaboration tools such as Slack or Microsoft Teams foster communication among diverse teams, whether onshore or offshore, ensuring everyone is aligned and informed. By embracing these techniques and tools, we can navigate the complexities of maritime projects, ultimately leading to safer and more efficient operations at sea.